Hello, builders. My name is G. Quick update today. Nothing to really demo because I think I'm still in the process of getting certain things ready, mostly for the shorts recordings and a lot of the educational content that I'm expecting. I'm just noticing like particular questions that come up at work that I think are important. Simple stuff like what is a token? What does token usage look like? How are costs calculated? What's caching? What's prompt caching? What does compacting do? What is clear context? Like people just don't know what those are, and so it's up to people who are in the know to be able to educate people on that, right? And so whether it's people who are watching or people who are going to be doing the implementation, right? Whether it's leadership level or the implementers, everyone's going to need to learn because ultimately it's either top down to introduce AI tools into your workflows, or it's bottom up, from the employees and working on high. So ultimately, I think that the most important thing is to um, ensure that more educational content like this comes out, just for my personal brand and also the things that I'm working on. And I do have a talk that I'll be giving at Startup Boston, and so I'll need to be prepping for that. And so some of this stuff goes hand in hand because those same topics about agentic coding and my talk at Startup Boston is going to be more towards non-technical people and how they can get introduced to stuff. So a lot of the educational content that I'm planning for and kind of dual using, right, is more beginner level, but I think obviously with the YouTube content, we just gradually increase in complexity, right, with our skills and with different models and those type of things. So, uh, quick update today. Nothing, not too much progress. So I'm a little sad about that. But we did go to, me and a friend of mine went on a Red Sox game, to a Red Sox game, and they owned the White Sox, and so that was really fun. Good day to decompress, but just got to push things forward, right? So that's today's update, and I'll see everybody tomorrow for hopefully a good, proper demo roundup, and I'll try to get that, ready and going.